good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 12 from verse 8 to verse 12. No afraid to tell people say you are God pick me. Me a tell you no say anybody will make people know say them a fi me follower. The man where God pick we tell God angel them say them a fi him. But anybody will tell other people say them no know me and oh them a know my follower. Me a go do the same thing to them in front of God angel them. You see, if you go say nothing bad about the man where God pick, you can get pardon. But anybody will say wicked things against the Holy Spirit and claim say as somebody else do the work where the Holy Spirit do, them can't get pardon. When them carry you before the Jew them church, the ruler them and the people them will have whole heap of power for y'all send people go dead. No fret about how you go defend yourself or when you say or how you say it. Because the Holy Spirit will tell you what to say when that time they come. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.